guys probably aren't gonna like it if you can't hear anything. I'm sorry if you cannot hear anything. No. I'm sorry. This is my friend here. She likes being a little troublemaker, a little more. We tried making the first video and she stopped it in the middle. Just lovely. But today we're gonna be riding this and Delaney's gonna get on the yes, her name's Delaney and I'm Brooklyn. Yeah, we're gonna sit in the seat right here. Yeah, I'm demonstrating. But yeah, I'm supposed to stand on here, like this. And it's gonna be fun. We've done this before. It's good. Don't try this at home. Maybe actually trying this at my friend's house. So maybe you can try it at home.
You can try it at home.
Yeah.
It's not really dangerous unless you land in a bush or something.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't really hurt if you land in a normal bush. Like usually we land in a bush like this. Yeah, and it'll flip over. But it's hilarious to us, but we don't know if you guys are gonna like it. So alright, so if you want to see something that's probably really stupid, you can get off it or keep watching. But I don't have a pause button. Actually, I do have a pause button. Never mind. But we are going to write down the thing. So wait a minute. First landed. Yeah. So yeah, we landed right here.
I was literally inside the bush, and I was like,
yeah, I was inside it, and Delaney couldn't get out.
And we were just in.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna see how long I can hold on.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry if you guys can't hear anything. Probably because this thing probably ain't working. I don't know. If you can't hear anything though, that's probably why I'm yelling.
Right there, guys.
I definitely didn't try getting in the bush.
We're gonna try that again, guys, because that one she drove right into the bush, and so now we're gonna have to try again. Brooklyn's getting that scooter thing set up, whatever that is. Yeah, and her channel's named after her. So I'm just gonna go up there, and we'll see you guys in a minute.